So plan today is to change the oil on a Cadillac Escalade. Let's open the hood. And let's go under the car. So from underneath of the car, there is a let's find out. This is the bolt that needs to be out to like drain the oil. And oil filter is right there, so everything is close to each other. Okay, so you're taking the socket number 15. Oh wow, it's tight pretty good. Okay, let's put the bucket under. The oil wasn't actually bad. I was expecting even worse. Let's get the cap out of the filling neck and get the filter out. So while it's draining, let's get the oil cap off. And let's get the filter out. So this is where the filter is, so basically you have to clean it and just unscrew it. Okay, you guys would not believe, when I touched the filter, it wasn't even tight. This is the part, like when you don't change the oil but someone else, you have no idea that how that person done it. Let's drain some oil and then we can take the filter out. I should have wear the gloves. I'll do it next time. And this job is a little bit messy to get the filter out. Should have get a bigger bucket. Let's get the filter out. It's gonna be very messy and dirty job. Just like this. So let's get our new filter. Oh wow, I never see something like this. New packaging or something. It looks kind of small. Let's get the oil. Put some oil on a rubber ring also for make it tight, and top of the filter. Okay, so it's pretty much 2/3 of the filter. It's the way you take the old filter, so this is how you installing it back, but I'm not going to show you guys this. Same problem. So just install the filter back in place, just to make sure that you put your current mileage 141,935 and a date when it was changed. So if you change the filter oil like somewhere else, then you would know that someone will change the filter, hopefully. So let's put the bowl back in place and put the oil inside. Make sure your bolt on the oil pan is intact. You put it back. Take big funnel and put some oil. It's supposed to be a 6 quart. Okay, so let's see the dipstick, how it looks, how it looking there. Okay, wipe it out. Inside and take it outside, and it looks good, but because it's looking down the engine, so I'll put also the half of the cord. I'll put half of this one too, just to make sure. Oh wow, lost the cup. Let's get the funnel out. The cap back.
Wednesday to Saturday.
So it was almost 4 quarts, almost. So let's throw it away in a garbage can. Lol. No, you actually have to go back to AutoZone and just give them this jar for free. So oil changed, now we need to change the air filter. There is 4 screws which you need a T20 in order to T20 socket to get to the air filter. And then screwdriver, flathead, pry it outside. There one more screw right there. By the way, and you don't have to take them all the way out, just maybe half of them out and it will do the work. So half of it out. Create a bit more. Let's see how dirty the air filter. I don't think it's gonna be very dirty. Nah, it's all right. Install a new filter, SA8755. Just like this. And tie all 4 screws again, back in place. I think there is something like slide over. Yeah, don't over tie them. This one going to hear that how you want to screw back. Make it tight, all 4 corners. Looking good, almost there. Okay, let's start the Escalade. Let's get the keys. I don't know if there is any oil reset, but 11.4. Good luck. Next job is gonna be to fix that oil. The tire gauge, because it cannot find it. Oh yeah, there is oil. Let's reset it. 100% oil life. The left tire. Need to put some air in those two. So to change the oil on a Cadillac, I would say it's from 10, 3 out of 10 how to change the oil. The only worst part, it could be the oil filter. It's the one that's hard to take care of once in a while. I would say 10 minutes and oil is changed. Еще нет.